Ayan guys, so napack up na natin. Andun na yung line array natin na 12-inch. Ayan. Basic na basic lang tayo guys. So without further ado, let's go! Ayan, so dito na tayo. So may nagde-decor. Ayan, I think pwesto natin yung speakers doon. Tsaka dyan. Tapos I think magbo-booth tayo somewhere dito na lang din, or kasi may tutugtog na acoustic doon banda. Ayan, doon banda. May acoustic dyan guys. Ayan, so medyo maliit lang yung area. Pero kayang-kaya yan. Repeat client natin to. Alright. Ay, so ito na yung naging setup natin. Ayan. Dalawang D12 na line array, pero ginawa kong sa stand ko siya nilagay guys. Yan. Ayan guys, so napaka basic lang yung ating ginawang setup dito. Sound system lang, walang lights guys. So yung gamit ko is mixer, laptop, tsaka amplifier, equalizer, at tsaka power controller. Ayan, so basic na basic lang guys. Ayan, tapos dito yung pwesto ng banda. Solo lang siya guys. Ayan, so isang microphone, tsaka lyric stand. Ayan, so yung mga wirings natin guys. Ayan. Yung maliit lang na torque yung dala ko. Ayan, so maya maya guys, mag-start na tayo. Alright. Ayan guys, so snacks muna tayo. Binigyan tayo ng pagkain. Coca-Cola, tsaka Ensaymada. Ayan. Napakasarap guys. Thank you. Ayan guys, may pahabol tayo na snacks.
Wow naman!
Bibingka. Sarap nito guys. Alright.
Wow!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless 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 you. Happy birthday, summer.
With acoustic band tayo solo. Si Mom Crystalline.
Good evening, everyone. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. Need a friend. In a way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you to the end. You support my way.
Kainan na guys. Yan, nakaubos na ako na isang plato. Pangalawa na to. Sarap guys. Yung banda, mamaya na daw siya. Alright. Kaya din ng dati guys. Tumulan na naman. Alright bro. The show must go on. Alright.
See things you don't understand. Wala nang ibigay. Oh, faded, hanging from your lips. Instead of the guys, the morning, the hate from above.
Ayan guys, so tapos na yung event natin. Alright, so pack up na tayo. Alright.